Everyone, it's Noah from the Flatline Company, and super excited to show you our new modular version of the MedicMate series, and just kind of go through the changes and kind of like the ultimate goal of where this product has come, especially with all the help over the last while. So I'll show you what we're talking about here. So as you can see, this is our new kind of system. So, you know, I'm missing some parts here. So this is the syringe rig, or the syringe stack, we'll call it. It's still got the health card slot. It's got the removable color tabs. And then if you look here, the writing, so 1010 3311 or 1, sorry. And that tells you the syringe stack. You also have other sizes. Right now we just have the 2, but with more demand and more options for people, I figure we'll get told. So we got another one. It's a 20, 10, 10, and a 5 mil syringe. And then here's the fun part. Is we realized with our old design is that we had 3 separate products. We had the MedicMate Pocket, which people loved because it was something that was super low profile, can sit in your pocket before calls. It's not kind of intrusive. Then we had the original MedicMate, which had the back IV clamp on it. And usually we found there was 2 kinds of medics. There's medics like to carry it on their belt, and that was usually the IV pole management system with the drip set clips. And there is the pocket person. So we figured, why not let you choose? So what we've done is now it's 100% modular. So as you can see, the 2 heat inserts here, they are kind of identical on both sides. And now when you select your product, you see here you get two screws. You pick the mounting system of your choice. So we actually have 3 options now. So we have, you know, that standard IV pole version, has a nice relief cut. So what you end up just having to do is line it up, makes a nice little click, and then you screw in an M3 through here. Now it turns into the original MedicMate. But if you're not that kind of person and you prefer the pocket / Molle version, same modular system, line it up, put your screw in, and now it's got that retaining clip on the inside. So it fits onto ballistic vests or onto a pocket of the monitor or your pocket, anything that kind of fits on there. And now, because we had some demand for it, the third option is a Velcro backing. So if you prefer to have Velcro, just kind of the same deal. It's a bit wider to increase the surface area to grab. Same retention system. You attach it on here, clicks in, and it screws in, and then you now got Velcro on the back. So, massive change to our system, gives you the option, because we realize is that, you know, we designed it because we're ambulance paramedics, and you know, the pocket worked great for us, as does the backer. But then some flight paramedics were reaching out to us, and they were talking about how there's a lot of Velcro on their gear, and they like to be able to move it in between places, and this gives them a good option here. So the next thing that's really exciting, in my opinion, obviously I'm a little biased, is that we realize that, you know, some people like the unobtrusive siding, and so what we've done, I can show you here, is made the side clips also modular. You can set up your loadout however you like it. Or you want something unobtrusive like the original MedicMate Pocket, you can also build that. So at checkout, you can select whatever you choose. Right now we have a fixed selection, so the blank ones will just turn it into a MedicMate Pocket. And I'm probably gonna stop talking and just kind of fast forward to this next part, just so you don't have to watch me put screws in. Okay, so that's that first screw. So on the pocket clip version, there's 2. And now that even gives you enough strength to have the retention clip for Molle. And now here comes the modular side clips that I was talking about. Let me just clean up my space here a little bit. So we designed it so that these parts have a negative feature. So they're all universal. They hold on together. That prevents it from moving in and out. And then when you choose whatever loadout you like, you just kind of slip it into the back here. It'll hold itself a little bit. And then when you put the next screw in, it prevents it from moving. So these are I'll show you just the different clips here. You just kind of screw it in and it'll hold itself in. This is the blood drip set clamp. So it holds a blood set and it holds your IV tubing here. This is the original drip set clip and also still holds your IV drip chamber. And the new exciting one that I personally use all the time is a vial holder. So you have like a 1 to 2 mil, or even like TXA or ketamine that's in a 10 mil vial. holds it between your dosing, which is great because you pop that cap, you draw one dose out for, let's say, midazolam for treating a seizure, you'll have a little bit left over, and this controlled substance can kind of get lost. So this holds it nice and in place there. There is also just a straight up 10 mil additional clip on the side for your flushes or preloads. So, if you just want an extra side up here, it works well with the pocket and the Velcro backing. And then the blanks, obviously. So this one, all it does is it turns it into like a really low profile pocket edition. So same kind of deal. You just line it up so the hole's showing. You screw that in, and now it can sit in your pocket and it won't get in the way, won't stab you, which like some medics like. Yeah, so the biggest thing is we've made the device more narrow too, is that we've realized that our health card slot / like multi-purpose slot for holding health cards, alcohol swabs, it doesn't need to be both sides TPU to get the same functionality. So, we've got forceps here from CTOMS. You just kind of find one of those little slots and you feed it through. There you go, holds it nice and tight. So yeah, those are the big changes. Obviously, we want to release more versions of the side clips that people kind of want for the more functionality they can get. That's kind of it. Still has that same feature. If this is the first time you've seen this device, obviously we're road paramedics and we make 3D prints ourselves, and this is kind of the demand. Before, it used to go in our pockets or taped onto the monitor, which is kind of scary when you're like working with a controlled substance or in high stress scenarios. So the color clips allow you to kind of know where meds are going to go, and then you have different size syringes that can fit. So 10 mil slot here for your flushes or preloads. You've also got regular ones as well. And then you can kind of take a peek at the side or through the med if it's clear to see what meds you're given. Also, we've adjusted our medication cap holder to better fit the geometry. So if you can see right here, this is kind of like a, oh, there's got another one here. Okay, sorry. Oh, there it is. Like a standard, cap for when you're giving medications. Gives you somewhere to park it, which is really nice in between dosing. So you would give them to an IV. This part here also takes the way of a flush, which then turns into another lure lock. And then when you're drawing up meds, so you can pop the cap in here, gives you a place to leave this. And then if you take your cap off your med, gives you somewhere to park it. Personally, I don't draw it up from in here, but there's a nice place to park it if you want. There you go. So those are the major changes that you'll see when you're buying your product now. So essentially on our website, we're going to have 3 colors just to get our stock up. So we have the blackout version, the high-vis green, and the life pack gray. And yeah, you'll be able to pick whatever syringe rig you want. So that 20, 10, 10, 5, the 10, 10, 3, 3, and 1. You get to pick or buy the complete set. We'll offer kind of a discount if you buy all the parts. It's a little easier for manufacturing purposes for us. Or you can buy whatever you're going to use. So, some of the military guys we talk to, they love the Molle version, obviously, so that they can attach it to, whatever Molle attachments they have in here. And that retention clip, so you can see here, it kind of doubles up, will stop it from coming out until you lift it out, which is nice. Also fits onto like your monitor, so your Zols and your life packs, which is great. And then, like I said before, the new Velcro version, which is pretty sweet too. And then I think I showed the IV backer. All it is a little clamp system with the bungee running through it. So you put it around a circular object, like so an IV pole. The bungee holds itself here. And then this is a sailor cinch that lets you take out the slack, pulls in all this in, prevents it from moving around. So when you have it on an IV pole, and let's say the blood drip chamber is going or the regular drip set, it clips in, holds everything in place. You can see the exact drip rate if you're running an infusion of, say, ketamine or or morphine or whatever, or a pressor, because in the back of the truck, those bags are just flopping around. So yeah, those are the major changes. Super excited. I really love to hear your feedback. And if you guys think of any other backplate attachments that you guys would want, or syringe rig sizing, we can now easily just integrate that into the system instead of creating an entirely new product. We've also done it to the original MedicMate Pro series. So we have something that we're now changing the name into MedicMate XLs, and it's just obviously the larger form factor, more designed for like flight paramedics, critical paramedics. So these are hard pointing, but also has the pocket clip, also has the Velcro backing and this IV backing, and just obviously a larger syringe stack is the major change. So those are the cool stuff. You'll see it on the website. New things are coming out the way there. I don't think I talked about the new MedicMate Mini. Either way, super excited. Thank you so much for all the support. The community has been fantastic, and we cannot make these products without the amazing feedback from community providers. And we just love to see people using it and enjoying it and finding it useful. So stay safe out there, guys. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and have a great day.